Okay, with this short video, I'm going to show you how to update the monthly sales using the Excel template that is set up on Box. Um, so for the monthly projections, January through December, you can update these amounts, the invoiced amount, and also the forecast amount if it needs to be, if there's an error, you can true it up on the Excel sheet. There will soon be an added feature for an adjusted forecast amount. So as we manage our sales throughout the year and we set different targets that vary from the approved budget, we'll be able to incorporate that. Again, in the future, as we connect this to the ERP system, this will be an automatic feature, but until then, it requires some manual entry. So using Box, if you do not have the Box desktop application, then you can just Google it, download tools for Box, and install the Box Sync tool, which is the Box drive for Windows. 64 or 32-bit. If you don't know where that is, then just go to your search and type in system for your computer, and you can find that. Like I'll show you. So system information, and so in my case it's 64-bit. So just again go to your little search thing at next to the Windows icon, search for system, and you can figure that out for yourself, not maybe ask your IT person. So if that is installed, then you get a tool that will look like this. And once you cut it on, that's all that's required on your desktop. On Box, the Box web browser, the folder that you want, like Salesforce data, import, export. So here's who's been invited. In order to sync this folder with your desktop or any particular file that you may want to sync, you just click on Details and then cut this on, Sync to Desktop. And then it will show up in your folder on your computer. And in Windows Explorer, once this is installed, this is automatically added to your folder tree. And then of course you can click Box Sync, whatever selected on Box to sync to your desktop will show up here. And then from here you can open these CSV files. They are CSV, they're not Excel. We just use Excel to open it. And it's important that you not change the file name or the file type to Excel. Please do keep it in CSV or this will not import. And you just can't open a CSV file from Box. Like it'll ask you to convert, or it won't let you open it, or you can download it, but it only will view an Excel file, not a CSV file. So this is why it's important to use the Box Sync feature, because here we can just double click and we can open the CSV file and it looks just like Excel. So these two columns, D and E, forecast amount, you can type whatever you type in will sync. If you change the number, it will update it. So for the invoiced amount, you can update this at the end of each month, and it'll update our Salesforce data so that we can track our sales to budget and to target from where we're at throughout the year. So again, just don't change the format of this file. Save it when you're done, and in the evenings around 5 or 6 o'clock, Salesforce will suck it right back in and will update it to the changes that you've made. If you need a new template because you have added a customer, let me know and I will make a template for you. But right now you can only update those 2 columns, so don't add columns, please. Just update. If you need me to make a new template, please reach out. Let's see. All right. Yeah, and then when you do that, this will update, and it'll be easier than having to manually click in, particularly to do your monthly updates. So like in this case, April, the invoiced amount, you could click in here, change the amount and save. That is a possibility. But to do that for all customers, it's a little bit time consuming, and you can quickly update that Excel sheet and it will pull it in. So just a quick recap. Be sure that you have the box for Windows installed. When you do, you'll have this that runs on your computer. Just cut it on. The way that you add it, so sharing, this is what shows up always. It's on details. Here's the little button. Cut that on. It will then sync with Windows. You'll see your folders. You can add other folders to whatever you're using Box with. They'll show up here, and update the Excel file, and it will update the monthly projections for your business unit. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Thank you.